What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Varner from Varner's Auto Sales up here in Davisville, Pennsylvania, and here I have a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. Now, the neat thing about this truck, guys, this is a Vortex Max. So what that means, this vehicle actually has a 6-liter V8 under the hood. I think a little bit heavier. I think it has the transmission core, a couple other nice add-ons. So pretty neat little truck package from GM. Let's go ahead and do a quick walk and shake everything I can find wrong with this truck. On the passenger side, I don't see any damage on the fender, no damage to the front or rear door, and truthfully, I don't really see any damage to the bed other than a little tiny chip right there in the wheel well. As I come around the back here, we do have a couple little dents in the tailgate, one there, another little one right here besides the handle, and we go to the rear bumper, one little tiny dent there. We do have a really nice tonneau cover on this one, plastic bed line. We do have the in-bed hookup for your chair brake, and we also have rails, so if you wanted to put a fifth wheel on there, you could. As I come around the driver's side, same story, guys. I do not really see any damage to the bedside, no damage to the rear door, no damage to the front door. Don't see any damage on the fender. We do have a little bit of oxidation starting to form on the front of these headlights. But truthfully, guys, that's it. I mean, for the miles on this truck and the age, this truck is in very, very nice condition. We do have some real nice tires on it. Front tires are probably about 75-80%. Rear tires, about the same, maybe a little bit better. While I'm back here, I'll show you guys the frame. This thing is super clean. Bed rails are in good shape. We do also have airbags. I don't know if you guys can see them there. These wheel wells, they have not been replaced. This is all original. There is no putty or body work on that bed whatsoever, guys. While I'm talking about rust, let's go ahead and look at the cab corner. Same story, no rust. Rocker panels are absolutely beautiful. Frame, super, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little dark, but super clean underneath, guys. I mean, this truck has been very, very well taken care of, and this is not rust here, that is dirt. If you guys are looking at that, let's go ahead and pop the hood here. Now, we did not detail this engine compartment, guys, that way you can see we're not cleaning off any oil leaks or anything like that. But like I said, this is a 6-liter V8. Engine oil was just changed. Coolant is right here on the bottle, so coolant's full. Yeah, very nice truck as far as oil leaks go underneath there. And also, we do have a brand new Pennsylvania State inspection. As we go to interior, we do have a black cloth interior, same seat. Driver's seat is in excellent condition, no rips, no wear. Back seats are the same way. What surprised me, as fancy as the truck is, we do have a vinyl floor mat. I thought that was very surprising. We climb inside here. We do have 2 keys. We do have, like I said, the factory brake controller, automatic headlights. Currently, this truck has 149,067 miles. We do have the low tire light on, guys. That light, with the age, we weren't going to have it fixed when we had it in the shop. Let me go ahead and turn this blower motor down. Also, if these gauges look like they're flickering, they're not flickering in real life. It's just my phone's video quality. We do have our cruise control on the left here, hands-free controls on the right. Four-wheel drive switch right here. I can tell you guys, air conditioning is already blowing nice and cold. We do have the temperature built into the rearview mirror. Currently, it is 88 degrees out here. You can hear the radio. Speakers sound good. Same story, guys. This radio is not flickering in real life. That's just my phone's video quality. We do have dual climates on this one. But yeah, interior, truthfully, guys, this thing is super nice and clean. Inside, headlines in nice shape. This vehicle has no smoke odor in it. Power steering works as supposed to. But yeah, it's a nice old truck. If you guys have any questions, this is Luke Varner from Varner's Auto Sales up in Davisville, Pennsylvania. Like always, if you guys don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. We look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for watching.